this lesson, you will learn how to remove blank rows in Excel on both Mac and Windows. The steps are exactly the same. Step 1. Select the entire spreadsheet. Click the little square in the very top left corner, the one above row 1 and to the left of column A. This selects every cell on your sheet. Step 2. Go to Find and Select. At the top of Excel, make sure you're on the Home tab. Look all the way to the right for the Find and Select button. Click it, then choose Go to Special. Step 3. Choose Blanks. When the Go to Special window opens, click the option that says Blanks, then click OK. Excel will now highlight every empty cell inside your selection. Step 4. Delete the blank rows. Right-click on one of the highlighted cells. Choose Delete. Then choose the option to shift cells up. Click OK. Excel removes all the blank rows instantly. Step 5. You're done. Your spreadsheet is now clean, your data is organized, and all blank rows are gone. This is the fastest and simplest way to remove blank rows in Excel on any system. I'll see you in the next lesson, where we continue building your Excel confidence one small skill at a time.